Okay, we are going to read Melt the Snow by Marissa Montez and illustrated by Brian Ojhar a second time. And this time you'll want to make sure you have your paper ready so that we can answer some questions as we are reading. Remember, this is a play, so there's going to be dialogue with stage directions, and I'm still going to read all of the parts and all of the dialogue with the stage directions. You can kind of try to picture it in your mind, okay? So here we go. Scene 1. Hormiguita peers out the tiny window of her underground home. She sees sun shining. Here's Hormiguita pointing. Mami, mira, look, the sun is shining. It's melting the snow. It's been such a long winter and I'm tired of staying indoors. May I go out and play? Mammy looks out the window. Outside wind begins to blow. Cloud appears in the sky. Mammy says, but the wind is starting to blow and dark clouds are forming. The air is chilly. It may snow again. Hormiguita begging, please, Mammy, por favor, I won't stay long. Mammy sighing, muy bien, mi hija, but don't go far and be careful. If snow falls, you may get trapped. Then what would you do? Hormiguita shaking with fear. How scary. But don't worry, Mammy. I'll be very careful. Hormiguita bundles up and steps outside. Now, this is where we have to stop because we need to answer a couple of questions. So we're going to answer question number 1 and question number 2. The first question is about drama. Find the dialogue or the words the characters say. You're going to find the words the characters say, the dialogue, that tells why Mammy does not want Hormiguita to play outside. What words? Where in here? What does Mammy say that helps you to know she does not want her to go outside? Pause the video and answer the question. Okay, number 2, make connections. Tell about a time when you asked a parent to go do something. How does this help you understand how Hormiguita and Mammy act? So you're going to make a text to self connection. How do you relate? How do you relate to Hormiguita? Have you ever begged your parents to do something? You asked them to do something and they said no. How does it help you to understand how Hormiguita and Mammy act? Pause the video. Answer number 2. When we read the first time, we made a prediction about what would happen to her. We already know what's going to happen to her, right? So, scene 2. Here's what's happening in scene 2. Sun shines. Hormiguita skips happily in the forest. Suddenly, wind blows. Cloud drifts in front of sun. Snow falls. Hormiguita shivers and stops. A big snowflake lands on her leg and traps her. She tugs at her leg. Here's what Hormiguita says. Ay, 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 snow, I'm stuck. Give me back my leg so I can go home. Then the chorus is this group of kids right here. Snow holds Hormiguita's leg and she wants to go home. Then Snow, a character in the play, says, Lo siento, or I'm sorry, I cannot, but there is someone stronger than me. Hormiguita tugging at her leg again. Who is stronger than you, Heavy Snow? Then Snow says, the sun is stronger. It melts me into water. Hormiguita reaching toward Sun. Sun, melt the snow, por favor. Then the chorus says, Sun, please melt snow. Snow holds Hormiguita's leg and she wants to go home. Sun says, I cannot, but there is someone stronger than me. Hormiguita looking puzzled. Look at her, she does look puzzled. Who is stronger than you, bright sun? Sun says, it is the cloud. It covers my warm rays. Hormiguita looking up at Cloud, who is partly covering Sun. Cloud, please uncover the sun. And the chorus over here, they're saying, Cloud, please uncover sun. Sun must melt snow. Snow holds Hormiguita's leg, and she wants to go home. Cloud, I am sorry, I cannot, but there is someone stronger than me. Hormiguita shivering. Who is stronger than you, thick Cloud? Cloud says, The wind is more powerful. It pushes me. Hormiguita flinging arms up and begging, wind, push the cloud away, por favor. Chorus, these guys. Wind, please push cloud, so cloud can uncover sun, so sun can melt snow. Snow holds Hormiguita's leg, and she wants to go home. Wind. I'm sorry, Hormiguita, I cannot help you, but there is someone stronger than me. Hormiguita rubbing arms to warm up. Who could be stronger than you, mighty wind? Wind. It is the wall. It holds me back. Hormiguita hanging head sadly and shaking it slowly. Ay, 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 turning to Wall. Wall, do not hold back the wind, please. Here's the chorus again. Wall, please don't block wind, for wind must push cloud, so cloud can uncover sun, so sun can melt snow. Snow holds Hormiguita's leg, and she wants to go home. Here's what Wall says. I cannot, Hormiguita, but there is someone stronger than me. Hormiguita looking amazed. Who could be stronger than you, Heart Wall? All right, get out your paper and your pencil. We're going to answer question number 3 and question number 4. So we're going to confirm our prediction. Was your prediction about Hormiguita correct? Explain. So back here, we made a prediction about what would happen to Hormiguita when she played outside. We did this the first time we read the story. We made a prediction about what would happen to her. Now right here, was your prediction correct? Explain. So on your paper, you're going to write, my prediction about her was correct, or my prediction about her was incorrect, and then explain it. The reason I was correct is, or the reason I was incorrect is, okay? Pause the video and answer number 3. Okay, question number 4 is cause and effect. What effect does the wall have on Hormiguita's situation? So what effect is the wall having on her situation? Think about this. Answer number 4. Then we're going to turn the page. Okay, so we made a prediction the first time. Who will be strong enough to save Hormiguita from her trap? So here's what Wall says. The mouse is stronger. He gnaws holes in me. Hormiguita looking around quickly and seeing Mouse near Wall. Mouse, please not Wall so I can go home. Here's the chorus again. Mouse, please not at Wall, so Wall will not block wind. For wind must push cloud, so cloud can uncover sun. So sun can melt snow. Snow holds Hormiguita's leg, and she wants to go home. Mouse scampers to Hormiguita. I will help you, of course. We tiny creatures must stick together against those stronger than us. It will be a tasty treat. Muy sabrosa, showing teeth. Mouse, gnaw at Wall. Wall, stop blocking wind. Wind, push cloud. Cloud, uncover sun. Sun, melt the snow. Snow is holding Hormiguita's leg, and she wants to go home. Mouse gnaws at Wall. Wall crumbles and stops blocking wind. Wind blows over Wall and pushes cloud. Cloud glides away from sun. Sun melts snow. Hormiguita shakes her leg loose. Hormiguita. I'm free. I can go home. Hooks elbows with Mouse and dances. Gracias, amigo. Thank you, my friend, for saving me. You are the strongest one of all. Scene 3. Hormiguita bursts through the kitchen door of her home. Hormiguita says, Mammy, I'm back. Mammy running towards the door and scooping up Hormiguita in her arms. You're just in time, mija. Hormiguita jumping excitedly. In time for what, Mammy? Mammy says, I made a pot of hot chocolate, rich and sweet. Are you cold? So we're going to answer 2 more questions. You need to confirm your prediction. So back here, who will be strong enough to save Hormiguita from her trap? Think about what your prediction was at the beginning when we very first read it. And you're going to confirm, who is the strongest one? Are you surprised? So you're going to answer the question, who was the strongest one? Are you surprised? Okay, question number 6, drama. How do the characters work together to free Hormiguita? Read the stage directions on page 295. So how do the characters work together to free Hormiguita? We're going to read the stage directions, which is right here on page 295. Mouse gnaws at wall, wall crumbles and stops blocking wind, wind blows over wall and pushes cloud, cloud glides away from sun, sun melts snow, Hormiguita shakes her leg loose. And when you've answered all those questions, you are finished.